Hi there, English faculty. I just want to show you quickly how to import export from Brightspace. So a couple things. The last video I showed you, it was pretty easy. You exported your regular Blackboard course over to Brightspace by using kind of the same functions as you're used to using in Blackboard. And then you picked your course, and then you went over to this chevron up in the top, and you simply clicked import copy components, and I showed you how to do all that. My recommendation is to maybe switch the dates for this from the spring semester that you recently finished to the fall semester. Maybe do that in Blackboard since you're already familiar with that. Switch those dates, and then you can import from Blackboard over to Brightspace, and all the dates will be changed. Or you can just import the class over, and everything will be fine if you just kind of work through the Brightspace stuff. But what I want to show you from now is to import from Brightspace directly. Okay, so you can see here I have one of my classes is already imported from Blackboard. Okay, I have my welcome video here, blah, 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 all the stuff is right there. Now let's say I want to copy this class. I'm teaching maybe 2 TRS classes. This is a TRS class. I'm teaching 2 of them this semester. I want to take this class and import it to the other shell. Now, what you want to do first is make sure you have all the current dates for the fall semester first. Don't just import a course from Blackboard, don't change any of the dates, then import it to another course in Brightspace, because then you're going to have to do it twice in Brightspace. You only want to have to change your dates once. So either do it first in Blackboard, then import it over to Brightspace, or import it over to Brightspace, change your dates, and then copy the class to another course shell. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so what you want to do is kind of remember the CRN. This is 24204, all right? I have my other course shells located right here. Okay, it's the exact same class, except it's empty. You can see there's no announcements. Okay, Mike is the instructor. So what I want to do next is I want to click that chevron, import, export, copy components, and I want you to simply keep it as the default. Course components from another org unit. Okay, the last time when you were importing from Blackboard, I had you use the import components. When you're importing from Brightspace to Brightspace, use the top one. Search for offerings. Okay, and I want to click TRS because that's the course I'm using. Search, and you can see there's that CRN, the 24204. I want to click that, add selected. Okay, and then copy components. I'm not going to do that yet because I haven't changed my dates. Okay, so again, make sure you change your dates from the spring semester to the fall semester before you start copying your courses. Otherwise, you're gonna have to do it for every class. You only wanna have to do it once and then copy that completed class to the empty shell. All right, I hope that helped. I hope everybody's having a great summer. If you have any questions, maybe shoot me an email. Most of this stuff is pretty intuitive. My advice is play around with Brightspace for a couple hours, and you're going to see it's pretty similar to Blackboard. A few small tweaks, but everything's pretty much the same. All right, take care.